Most good motorcycles run on gasoline. This is a bad motorcycle. It runs on blood. Unfortunately, the bike's previous owner is now dead.
1.5 grand's a bit heavy for a crashed bike.
Ah, the bike's not been crashed. The last owner didn't die on it. Had an accident with a crossbow.
Nick Noddi is the machine's new legal owner, but he will never have true possession of it because it's already possessed by someone or something else. Perhaps he should have suspected something when his best friend was found horribly murdered.
I have to tell you, it's not very pleasant.
Perhaps he should have listened to his girlfriend when she warned him the bike was a killer.
Well, where is it now, then?
Well, how the hell should I know? It just drove off.
What, all by itself?
Yes.
It roams the streets alone to satisfy its lust for blood.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Ghost. Shit!
Noddi. Noddi. Hello, Noddi.
You're under arrest! Anything you say may be taken down and used in evidence against you! And now, it's death time!
Made of steel, forged in hell. No one is safe from the wheels of death. Beware, the vampire motorcycle could be right up your street.
She's such a little machine.